yes people, welcome back to another video. Yeah man, so they up on the island, my island, sweet Jamaica. Yes man, so mommy there in the kitchen, mommy I chef it up. See, so before we switch over, remember, like, share and subscribe to the channel, my people. So hold on, let mommy tell her where she a cook.
Rice.
Alright, so mommy there. Tell them what you cook, mommy.
I'm cooking gungo rice and fried chicken.
Alright, mommy says she a cook gungo peas and fried chicken. Over here some bossy pot food. Woo! I practice iron man, but it not work. Hot. So see it then? Maybe the steam look a bit too confusing. But Mr. Come like you want more gungo than that in your pot, man. Yeah. Anyway, fans, gungo rice and gungo rice. I don't know what you want to call it, and fried chicken. She says she a mix up. So take it on the cooking journey because a long time I want come put my mother on the thing I all can see her and see where I get the skills from. To stick and stay with the eye. Yeah man, so over here so she have do her blending her coconut cause one thing I can tell about my mother, you know, she do everything from scratch. She don't go coconut milk in a can and bag and them thing there. Where's this now? Straight
old fashioned thing.
Alright. Yeah, but so I show them man. When I say last night my mother cooked me some nice dumpling and banana and yam and brown stew fish. I tell her say it's not normal. It's not normal and that was on request. You know what I mean? Request that straight. Yeah man. Just go and do your thing, man. Just go and do your thing, man. Go and do your thing. So she know the proper the process now grate the coconut and then extract the juice and then put it in the pot with the peas. In America we call this one the pigeon peas, but in Jamaica, gungo peas. So when we come back, guys. Alright people, so you see coconut milk in a pot and season up. Yeah man, you see the scotch bonnet pepper, the onion, not the onion, the scallion and thyme. See, nice. And I want to see a piece of smell of kick up out of it already. Alright, my mother go and match up the thing. Alright, she just make a little one flick. I guess you just check them out. Yeah man. Look at all you there kind of feisty and all the manners, you know, so thinking you can still roll big man. What the pot the people I'm seeing at the pot?
The pot are boil up.
Yeah man, what the pot the people I'm seeing at the pot, man? Yeah, yes man, the old lady feisty man, she down the manners man. Ranking the old lady. Alright people. Rice I get pick up shelly rice. Yeah man, listen now, I'm not cook no peka rice around here. Yeah man. I tell you. So where me get it from now, no show. Yeah man. Let me show them what I got over this side of the fried chicken pot. Alright. That's right, so she must up some nice veg. You know what I mean? Some shredded vegetable. So, you know I go mad man. You know I go hot like drops. That me I tell you now. Alright people, so whole lady finish fry up our chicken. Yeah man, so the chicken this one right over here so. Over here so. Rice and gungo. Over here so. Our gravy. Yeah man, and over here so now she have our vegetable. You know what I mean? So yes, so I'll close off the video because she said she not ready for. Yes, people, so we'll close off the video right there, so. Yes, because my body now ready for eat it. In fact, my nephew them gonna go and play soccer, and I'm still full. I'm going to the town, come back, and I just saw it set, so I'm not ready for eat yet, so until then time there, yeah, peace, I'm out.